Hi, I wanted to tell you about a weight loss program that I love. It's called the Smoothie Diet. This is hands down the best, healthiest, safest, most satisfying diet I've ever found to help you blast through fat and reach your goal weight. The Smoothie Diet was created by Drew Scoutis, a board-certified health coach and nutrition expert. The plan is simple. For 21 days, you swap out 2 of your 3 meals with delicious, hearty, nutrient-dense smoothies. That's it. You can still have snacks and one whole food-based meal throughout the day, and you won't have to stress about planning them since the Smoothie Diet Guide includes sample meals and snacks plus vegetarian options. If you choose, you can use a flex day every week where you just eat 3 healthy meals. They're all spelled out inside the Smoothie Diet. This way, it's very convenient. Collectively, Coach Drew has helped his Smoothie Diet community lose more than 40,000 pounds and keep the weight off. Here's a breakdown of what you get with the Smoothie Diet. 36 delicious, filling smoothie recipes to help you blast through fat and lose weight consistently without feeling deprived. Weekly shopping lists to make it simple to stay on track. A 21-day rapid fat loss plan that tells you which smoothie to have and when for maximum results. Smoothie making tips and prep guide so you can be prepared and not reach for sugar when 4 p.m. cravings hit. A 60-page guide to tell you everything you need to know to succeed on the program. A quick start guide to make it easy to begin. A 3-day detox plan, this is optional, to help you drop the first few pounds ASAP. Why is the Smoothie Diet so effective? Weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. This smoothie diet cuts out all the awful foods that are making you gain weight while boosting your metabolism, cutting your cravings, and reducing your calorific intake without ever leaving you hungry. Plus, the smoothie diet is insanely convenient. Convenience is the single biggest factor that leads to diet success or failure. If something is hard, you're unlikely to stick with it. If it's a breeze, then why wouldn't you follow through? The best thing about the Smoothie Diet is that it helps you keep losing weight even after the 21 days are over. Many of Drew's clients choose to swap out 1 meal per day with a smoothie for a few more weeks or months. And since it's already a habit and you already love the smoothies, it's easy to keep going until you hit your goal weight. Whether you want to lose 10 pounds or 70 pounds, you'll be able to make it happen with the Smoothie Diet. Want to learn more? You can learn all about it by clicking the link in the description.